Jesus Christ.
Teaching me the rules in Jean's place.
Oh, that's right. I just remembered.
Itchy nose.
It's a hunter's license. But whose?
It's Jean's.
Huh? It's Jean?
Just think back to my final test. Remember what it was?
You told me you had to go find Jean.
Well, before the test even began, Jean handed his license to me. He told me I was supposed to use it to find him someday. I always planned to return it to him once I did.
Wait, you wouldn't take it back?
No, I'd actually forgotten I had it. Gon, you said you were gonna find Jean on your own, didn't you? Then you have to do what you said you would. And if you don't mind, you think you could return that to him for me?
Sure. But before I do that, I have to finish this job with you and get a lot stronger while we're at it. Once I'm done, I'll find Jean and give this back to him. You have my word.
I'm counting on you. Well, time to get a move on. We don't want to lose the trail.
Ooh. I like that.
Who's next?
Must be tough being ordinary. Going through all this trouble just to become powerful.
Honey.
Peggy, take care of the rest.
Where are you going?
To check on something.
Oh,
I want to see
shit.
just how strong I am.
A monster. What is this? I don't believe it.
What's wrong, Kite?
Go, Kilo, run. I said go! Get out of here right now!
I found you.
Damn.
Get away!
Oh. She just chopped his damn arm off. What the fuck?
Idiot! Wise decision, Kilo. Now take Gon and get out of here!
Oh God. I don't know why I'm nervous so much.
You're in for it now, you know that? Better hope for a good number. 3!
So, you can do that stuff too?
Excuse me.
We were too complacent and overconfident. We were both worth less than a one-armed kite. That was his assessment. That's the reality. If Hyde had been alone, this probably wouldn't have happened. Damn it. We were fools.
Ooh, shit. I came out of the way.
They're shogi tiles. You take a piece of marked wood and split it, then you give each half to a different person. You can use it as proof of identity, or to verify a document.
We have already placed 2 assassins in the nearest city.